For more free videos, go to zeroxbilliards.com. All the videos are organized so learning the game of pool has never been easier. From fundamentals to kicking, banking, breaking, and cue ball control, we have all the videos you need to supercharge your game. In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform power shots with the mechanical bridge. And there are plenty of videos out there that demonstrate the typical stroke when using the mechanical bridge. And I'll put a link to these videos in the description. And if all you have to do is roll in the cue ball or play a slight stun shot, this type of stroke works really good. But what happens when you need to perform a power shot like this, where you have to send the cue ball around the table for a position? Since most people don't practice very much with a mechanical bridge, they tend to struggle getting the necessary speed using the normal bridge stroke. But using a different stroke is not nearly as difficult. First, you're going to need an extension like this for your pool cue. These are ideal since it's very easy to take them off and on. Now, place the bridge on the table. Next, raise your back foot and place your cue on the bridge head. The goal is to lean as far as you can across the table. Now hold the cue stick using your normal stroke. Since you're using your normal stroke, it's much easier to come through the cue ball correctly. And once you get used to using the bridge in this manner, it won't seem any different than any other type of shot. In this example, we're going to be using a power draw shot. And performing a power draw shot is one of the most difficult shots to perform when using the typical bridge stroke. But using your normal stroke, it's much easier to get through the cue ball correctly. The key is to aim just above maximum low using a firm stroke. Learning how to use your own stroke when using the mechanical bridge will not only increase your ball pocketing, but also improves your position play. Here's another type of shot that is very difficult with a normal bridge stroke. On this shot, I'll be using maximum left to hold the cue ball for the 2-ball. Normally, when using this much side spin, this shot can prove very challenging, especially for a player who hasn't really practiced too much with a mechanical bridge. Here's a shot that's very difficult for a right-handed player. In this shot, I'm on the 1-ball and I need to draw back for an angle on the 2-ball. On this type of shot, many players would stretch and try to draw back, which sometimes results in a miscue or just not enough draw. But using the mechanical bridge along with your normal pull stroke, this type of shot is much easier than you think. Set the shot up on a pool table and try to consistently draw back to the end rail using the normal mechanical bridge stroke. Then try drawing back using your normal pull stroke so you can really see the difference. To watch more free videos like this one, we set up a page that is filled with free videos covering every aspect of pool. All the free videos are organized by topic, so learning this great game of pool has never been easier. I put a link in the description that takes you directly to this webpage.